In this video tutorial, we'll take a look at how we go about setting up simple coupons within the Foxycart backend. When you log into Foxycart, just simply come over to coupons. And if you haven't added a coupon before, you'll see this drop down say add a new coupon, and it'll just be the only one there. So you won't have to do anything with that. Now, you want to give it a name, and this name is just for your own internal usage. This isn't like, what the code that you'll give to people. So let's just say you have a friends and family coupon, something like that. So you just give it that name, family coupons. And what we'll do is we'll click on the generate coupon codes because we're just going to make our own. We're not going to be doing any importing or anything like that. Okay, so coupon code, we'll just call it like family. Yeah, let's just call it family discounts. Okay. First option, generate multiple variations. If you want to, you can. For the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to kind of take the simple approach. And again, there's so many ways we can configure this. I'm just going to take you through what I would really consider a simple setup. Discount method. Discount by amount based on the quantity. Discount by percentage. An amount based on the price in this category. And discount by percentage based on the price in this category. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ways we can do discounts. The first two are probably your most common. Discount by an amount based on the quantity. That would be an example of if you buy anywhere between 1 and 5 of these products, you'll get, 20% off. If you buy between 5 and 10, you'll get 20%. Or I'm sorry, you'll get $20 off. Now the percentage, that's if you go to discount, again, same thing. If you, between 1 and 5, you get 5% off. Between 5 and 10, you get 10% off. So the percentage this option allows you to set a percentage. This one allows you to just set an amount like $5, $10, $20. So let's say family discounts, we want to give them 30% off. So we would just do discount by percentage based on the quantity. And so the tier, and again, that's where I was talking about earlier, if you want to set tiers. So like this would be from anywhere from 1 and up, which is basically infinity, they get 30%. But if you want to do a case where you say, okay, anything more than 5, kind of give them an incentive to buy more, you get 40% off. We're not doing that. This is just family discount. Okay, so we'll just say, anything 1, or if they buy anything, they get 30%. This is what this one's saying. So here's the coupon details. So then you get into a lot more combinations and options down here. Is this combinable? Can you do it with other coupons? That's your choice. And if you click on this will give you a little more kind of a tooltip to tell you what it's talking about there. And you can read through these. You can do multiple. You want it to be taxable. If there's a category discount that you already have set up, do you want to apply it to that? So as you can see, you can really configure this to be set up in so many different ways. So again, for the simplicity's sake, we're just saying, hey, we just want to give them 30% off. This is where you get into date range. If you want to, set a certain amount of dates, does it apply to all categories? If not, okay, here's the ones that it does apply to. We'll say all categories. Restrict usage by product code. And this is where it gets, again, more complex. If you don't want, if they're like using a particular product code like ABC123, you don't want them or you want it to only apply to those, you can set those things. Number of uses allowed per individual code. So let's say after 10 people use this, or after it's used 10 times. Yeah, this one's saying if it's been used by a certain amount, like let's say 10 times, just in general, no matter who uses it, it shuts off. Now this one, number of uses allowed per customer. So you could say, okay, after the customer uses it 5 times, say John Doe uses it 5 times, he doesn't get any more. So again, you can see the granularity. So in this example, we've just set up a simple one. We've just gone through and set up, okay, you get 30% off. 30% off, that's it. So we'll go ahead and click create coupon. And if everything goes through, and it did, it's successfully created. So, excuse me, this is the one that you'll be sharing with people. So let's take an example. I have a site that I've set up, and it's just if I come over here and I start adding products to cart, right now it's $80 for this product. But if I say, okay, I want my coupon, or I want to enter it, and I hit apply, that 30% off will now be applied to that. If I go to checkout, that value will pass over that $24 off, the 30%. So that, in a nutshell, is the simple version of setting this up. Again, you have a lot of different options that you can play around with in here, and if you want to go back and edit it anytime, you can definitely do so. And if you want to get into studying more about the advanced options, just simply come over here to click on our wiki. This will take you through the more detailed stuff, but this will get you through probably the bulk majority of what you're going to need.